Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make After Effects like flash in CapCut. So here what you need to do is open your edit and then click on overlay and select the white overlay from the stock videos. And then after that, fit the size. Then go to splice and then click on overlay and then set it into 70 like this. Click on the check icon and then click on the white overlay, go to animations and choose out, and here select the fade out and set it all the way like this. Click on the check icon and then after that do this for all of the overlay. So adjust the overlay a little bit shorter than your clip. So it'll go like this and then copy it and apply or place the overlay on each clip, but make it shorter than the original or the main clip at the top. Okay, so it'll go like this. And then click on the main video and add 2 keyframes at the end of the clips like this, and then after that at the second keyframe set the video opacity into 50. Oops. Like so. Then also put 2 keyframes at the beginning of the clips, and then on the first keyframe you need to set the opacity into 50 also. So you need to do this for all of the clips. Set the opacity at the beginning and also at the end into 50. Okay, I've already adjusted the opacity of all clips, and here the result for the flash look like. Okay, so that's all from me. If you guys have any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.